Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So at the moment, there's a current promotion going on with Bybit where you can actually claim a 20 USDT coupon. So to do this, all you need to do is simply register for a new account. As you can see here, I am on the bybit.com. Here you can sign up using email or Google. So sign up according to your preference. Once you have signed in, it will bring you to the new page and a pop-up will appear on your screen where it says claim your rewards now. So click on this and you will be brought to this page. Here, different section of rewards are displaying. Scroll down and you will see your 20 USDT welcome reward and click on claim. And as you can see, we've got our 20 USDT token, so we can press on to use. And then we can use this to do things like, for example, buy crypto or something like that. So that's basically how you can use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.